Hey, this is meteorologist Chris Smith here on a very cold Saturday night across northwest Florida. Temperatures tumbling already below freezing this evening for us, and we'll stay into the 20s tonight. Some inland areas could actually drop down to maybe 19 degrees, but I think most of us will be in that 21 to maybe 25 degree range tonight. Bitterly cold temperatures. Winds still blustery, but every hour they'll continue to die down. Now that doesn't mean the wind chill won't be an issue, because even at 10 to 15 miles an hour, the wind chill is still going to be significantly cold. It just won't be what we saw over the course of today, 30 to 40 mile per hour winds across our area. And you see the winds do die down significantly on Sunday across our area, and temperatures should rebound up into the middle 40s. So way below average, but I think it will be a far cry better. Notice on Monday, we get a little bit of an onshore wind, and we should begin to warm up pretty quickly after that. So again, people, pets, pipes, plants, you know the drill. Even down to the beaches, you have to protect those pipes, and some of the things you can do is you want to make sure to remove, drain, and store outdoor hoses. Consider insulation materials for any exposed pipes, including if you have any of those instant hot water heaters. Let the cold water drip from faucets. Go ahead and open up the kitchen and bathroom cabinets on the outside walls of the house to allow a little bit more of that airflow in. Now, let's talk a little bit about those temperatures. Again, teens and 20s expected tonight across our area, all the way down to the coastline. In particular, you can see up into Jay, 18, 21 in Pace, 25 in Gulf Breeze. Meanwhile, over into Bay and Walton counties, we'll be into the low to mid-20s, mid-20s right along the beaches for Panama City Beach. But look at these feels-like temperatures, 8, 10, 9, 12. That's what it will feel like when you factor in that wind first thing Sunday morning. Even all the way down to Apalachicola, 22 degrees below freezing for Cape San Blas, as well as St. George Island. And then up through Gadsden County and Liberty County, you'll see some teens and 20s. Feels like temperatures into the single digits, and that continues over into Holmes County as well. You'll see Bonifay at 21, Cottondale at 20, and feels like temperature 7 degrees. So, high temperatures Sunday do rebound. We get up into the middle 40s across our area. And then as we head into Monday night, it will be bitterly cold again. The beaches will be close to freezing or a little bit below. Inland areas will still see another hard freeze. So you'll still need to take those precautions. The beaches probably not. High temperatures Monday. Remember the onshore wind that gets us into the middle 50s. And I think by Tuesday, we're probably talking about some 60s across our area. So again, quiet weather across northwest Florida from the standpoint of clear skies. We'll see a few cirrus clouds as we head from Sunday night into Monday. But all in all, nothing going on, at least until probably about Wednesday. We could see some showers begin to move in. The good news is, though, that pulls in moisture from the Gulf, and that will mean warmer temperatures across our area. So this is what we're seeing as we look at that 7-day forecast. Cold temperatures for Sunday, but again, less wind, and it will be warmer than what we saw during the day on Saturday. So there's the good news. And then a warm up into the 60s Tuesday and Wednesday. Chance of rain on Wednesday. And guess what? It gets cold again as we head into Thursday and Friday across our area.